Good evening.
And good evening all of you present here.
Good evening.
I am Tanzila in front of you and we are here to conversation on the topic of importance of English and communication skills. So please listen carefully.
Okay. Hello Tanshidi.
Hello Ria.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine.
And where are you going?
I am going to spoken classes from Wisdom.
You know that I am very weak in English. So I am also want to join these classes. So tell me the timing of this class.
The timing of 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. and many batches are running there.
So can I go with you?
Yeah, of course. Let's go with me.
Okay. So what is the language?
Language is a primary source to communicate. With the help of English, we share our ideas with other people, and some people says if we knowing English and communicate with separate us with the animals and make us humans.
So what is know about English language?
English is officially is the language of England, and English is an international communication language. Most of the people is spoken in English, and it is the fact 4,000 millions people speak in English, and it is officially languages of 53 countries.
Yes.
And what is the communication?
Communication is the art what we can means it is a art which type we express our thoughts to in front of other people, and which type thought means what we learn, what we improving.
Okay, then why is communication important?
If you want to progress in your life, and if you want to face any interview, means you want to face you want if you crack any exam, so interview is compulsory for the exam, because the examiner required for a good skills person, so they starting the progress of interview, because they find who is responsible for this, and who is
Eligible.
who is eligible for this job. So if our communication skill is good, so we can get this job, and our future for our future brings many opportunities.
And how can we improve communication skills?
We can improve our communication skills by joining English classes, and if we are going to any places just like a bank, so if we are correction in our account, so we can how to talk to the bank manager, and if we going to any school, so which type of talking to teacher and principal, means this type of development, and if we can improve our communication skills by listening music, English music and English videos, watching YouTube, and with the help of YouTube, and reading newspaper.
And how a communication help build our future better?
I am telling you, firstly I am telling you, communication is a good skill. If you have good skill, so you can explain anything very well. Suppose if you in your childhood you can't speak, but you have a very good communication skill, so you say your mother means your say like mama give me water, you can't speak English, but you have a body language, and you have skill, so you means you get water without speaking.
Why should a student improve communication in English?
You know that effective communication is the essential part of professional life. If any students have a good communication skill, so all students are respect to other compared with other student, and they give more response for the student. And in which field English is more important?
English is important in every field. It is most important in medical, engineering, and science and technology. And more of the knowledge is in English language. So English is also.
So what is the importance of medical field in English?
It is very important for the medical field because more of the knowledge and more of the books and we can say full of the books in English, and if we know English very well, so we communicate with co-workers and doctors and patients very well.
So how your career is depend on English?
If we know English and we communicate English, so English is increase our job opportunities, and we are work with multinational companies, and if we want to work from home, so we can get join abroad companies, and if we want to work with abroad companies, so we must know English.
So you know that in our surrounding, most of the student cannot mind in English language. They only focus on maths and science.
It is effect on any government job because they scoring in maths and reasoning,
Yes.
but they will not face interview and
Yes.
they reject.
So I think if we want to something, means in future, if we want to our golden future, or if we want to a job, so English language and communication skill is very important for our life.
Yeah, this is two things more important for better career and better job.
Yes, and you know that communication is an art, and what if you do practice, so you will get better. And
Yeah,
if
we
you do-
attract other
yes,
pupils
yes, and if we do hard work for improving your English and communication skills, so I think you get success in your life.
Yeah, we will reach the coaching, so we
Yes, we are getting late, so bye bye.
bye.